Namaste. My name is Muhammad Usman. Lion, king of the jungle. Lion eats flesh and music forest. Baby lions are happy. Female lions are lioness. Thank you. Namaste. My name is Zia. The elephant is a wide animal. Elephant is a very big animal. Elephant are long. Elephant has two tusks. Baby elephant is called calf. Thank you. Namaste, my name is Mogida Pratilakshmi. Lion is the national animal. Tiger belongs cat families. Tiger runs very fast. Tiger has sharp teeth and neck. Tiger likes orange in color with black stripes. Thanks. My name is Adiyar. Elephants are wise animal. Elephants are very big animal. Elephants are long trunk. Elephants are two tusks. Elephant, baby elephants are calf. Hey, my name is Sarakshan. Tiger is a national animal. Tiger belongs cat family. Tiger runs very fast. Tiger has sharp teeth and nails. Tiger has orange in color with black stripes. Namaste, my name is Sanjeevan. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion eats flesh. Lion lives in forest. Baby lion is called cub. Female lion is called lioness. Thank you. My name is Adil Krishna. Tiger the national animal. Tiger belongs cat family. Tiger runs very fast. Tiger has sharp teeth and nails. Tiger has orange color. Thank you.